listen, I saw this red outfit in my head as I was leaving church last week. And on the drive home, I was actually contemplating if I even had the time. Like, I'm gonna be honest, y'all, I have a lot going on, good things. So let me introduce myself to those of you who are new to my channel. My name is t.a.l.a.y.a, and I am a fashion designer. I've been designing now for 11 years, and I started a YouTube just to show more of my journey of me fulfilling my dreams. And yeah, that's who I am now. Now back to this project. So I'm contemplating thinking about, okay, girl, can we make it? Do we have time? Do we even have enough fabric? One of the goals that I've been trying to set for myself is to not purchase fabric if I don't have to. As a designer, y'all, we purchase a lot of fabric, and with inflation, fabric is expensive, okay? So I actually have a fabric inventory in my sewing room, and I said, girl, if you have the fabric, make it. If you don't have enough, hate to say it, you can't make it. So fortunately, I had enough yardage to make the outfit. So I'm making a red palazzo pant and this cute little knot top. Now, I've made a knot top before, but it had sleeves. This particular top was a little bit different because I was nervous. I'm not even gonna lie to you. And I wasn't nervous about the task itself with, sewing and the techniques. I was more so nervous about having my stomach out. And not for the reasons that you think. I don't think I'm fat at all. It's not even about that. But in all transparency, I don't really wear my stomach out. I wear it out at home, but out in public and pictures, I don't really wear my stomach out. And that's because I've been struggling with fibroids since I was 23. I'm now 28. And a lot of times it can cause a lot of discomfort. Like I have constant bloatedness. Sometimes the pressure against that little pooch that fibroids tend to cause in women, it really hurts. And there are other complications that a lot of women don't really talk about. And to make it even worse, Black women usually struggle 10 times more with fibroids than other ethnicities. So when people say like, oh, being a Black woman is difficult sometimes, I don't know if you heard that, but I've heard that. It's not even always about how society treats us. Sometimes the health complications that we experience makes it a little bit more difficult being a Black woman. But don't get me wrong, I love being a Black woman. But I made this outfit for myself, and I decided to obviously take pictures of it with my stomach out. One, to take back my confidence, and two, to tell fibroids you have no control over my image. You have no control over my confidence. So to all of my women who struggle with fibroids, who have some insecurities because of their fibroids, girl, let that pooch hang, okay? Let that pooch do what it do. Girl, you're beautiful. Girl, you look good. Girl, whatever you wear, as long as you have confidence in it, as long as you love that outfit, you wear it. And I'm gonna be honest, y'all. I was really proud of myself, obviously because of the look, but more so because I conquered the lie of feeling like my stomach did not look good because of extensive bloatedness and a pooch and all of that. It low-key looked like I have abs, y'all. I'm not even gonna hold you. I felt real fine, but that's all I really have with this voiceover. So I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. If you like what you see and you want to see more, make sure to like this video so it can reach the algorithm, to subscribe to stay in community with us, and also click that bell to be notified when we have more posts and more ideas and just more things to show you. I love you. And also remember, the process isn't always easy, but the outcome is always worth it.